Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I will be launching a coin and showing you guys exactly step by step on how to dev meme coins, right? And then I will show you how much I make from this launch, all in this video, bro. Deving meme coins is way better than trading if you're tired of losing or you want to find a new way to become profitable. Well, this video is for you. Now, most people, when they want to make their first meme coin, as you guys may know, they go to Pump.Fun and they launch them here. Now, let me tell you why you want to be avoiding Pump.Fun to launch meme coins. First of all, it's oversaturated. There's too much competition, too many coins are launching, too many different narratives are launching at the same time. So the fact is that if you make a coin, bro, it will go nowhere. You are wasting your time. On top of that, bro, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your profits and they own all your coins and you get no exposure in exchange of that. That's exactly why I launch my coins directly to Raydium. Raydium is where thousands of people are waiting to buy your coins. It's the migrate section. It's the next step from Pump.Fun, okay? Now to reach that point, it takes too much luck on Pump.Fun. For instance, your meme coin needs to reach a $40,000 market cap. That takes too long. That's why I make my coins on create meme.io directly, bro. Because every single coin goes to Raydium. It will skip the shortcut, it will do everything, and it will go to Raydium instantly, and that's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, to make a coin, bro, you could either make one from scratch or you can copy coins. I personally love to copy coins because every single coin here has a good narrative. It's already proven to go viral right now, and they're all gaining a bunch of traction on Pump.Fun right now as we speak. So if you copy a coin here to Raydium, well, you have a high chance of gaining a bunch of fucking traction on that coin and even potentially surpass the coin that you copied. That's why I personally vamp coins, and you could either create coins if you want. Personally, if you have a really good narrative, but that's up to you. I'm gonna copy a coin for example right now. But now guys, now it's time for the best part of this video, and that is making a coin and seeing how much we can make. So first of all, I'm going to copy a coin and see how much we can make, right? Copying coins is what I do every single day. Now first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected. Click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Swarms coin. Click copy the Raydium. Wait for Phantom to show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And then the coin should be copied. Just give it a bit of fucking time. Let's go. And boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create the liquidity pool, and then it will show up right here, and then a bunch of people will be able to buy in directly from the Raydium DEX, and that's exactly why you have to be creating your own liquidity pool for that reason. Now for the first step right here, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is, right? 90% of the tokens. Right under, this is the first buy into your coin. Now you will be the first one buying since you are the one creating your own coin, and that is going to exchange for supply in your wallet, and that's exactly how you are going to profit. And by the way, bro, this 0.3 SOL right here is the minimum, but you will get this back later. Once you dump the coin, it will come back in your Phantom wallet, so it's not a big deal. Click create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up. Should take like 2 seconds. Boom, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh and then scroll down, and boom, the Swarms coin is on live and your PNL will show up right here, obviously. And if you click on the refresh button, well, you guys can see that your profits and everything refreshes, and bang, $143 right now in profits. Now that means people are buying our coin and they're liking the narrative. Click view on Photon, right? The chart should pop up. Yes, sir. Bang. Let me go on full screen for a better view. And then just wait. And now the coin is live, bro. Bang. A bunch of people are transactioning with our coin. And that is a really good sign. A $70 buy, bro, right there. That is what we like to see, bro. Now, guys, all you have to do is be patient. Wait for your coin to pop, and then go up. And when the market cap is high, then now you can cash out. If you cash out too early, well, not a bunch bunch of people are going to like your coin, they're going to think that it's a rug. So you just have to play along with it. Just wait for a coin to pop up. Oh my god, bro! A bunch of people are buying in. We made this coin for literally free, $0, and now a bunch of people are transactioning. That's exactly why you have to be deving. I'm gonna be right back, right, to dump the coin. So I'm gonna give this coin like a couple minutes to pump. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to cash out right now, bro. So come back to create meme.io, and then after that, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bang, $2,000 we're up right now on this meme coin with a 3K market cap, bro. We farmed a lot of transactions, and also, our supply went higher. That is really good. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for your phantom to show up real quick. And as you guys can see here, I'm going to receive around 22 Solana. Click on confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish. I made a coin in front of you guys and proved to you guys that deving meme coins is really, really good. Now it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want. I would highly recommend everyone to switch from trading to deving, bro. Use create meme.io. It will be linked everywhere. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. Join my Discord and Telegram. I would highly appreciate it. And as you guys can see, bro, there's proof 1.9k my phantom wallet. Everything's legit. Peace out to everyone and good luck.